So, hello everybody. I hope you all are great and learning this language great way. So, today I want to ask you one question from you guys. Whenever you saw something written in English, do you try to read by yourself? Try to understand what is it written? Why I'm asking you this question? Because this plays pivotal role in learning any language. Yeah. I was not fully aware of this thing. Yes. Leisurely, I came to understand, I came to realize this, this is a great way to learn any language. Now, what I am trying to tell you through this video, when you find something written in English, try to read them and try to understand. This way, what will happen to your mind? You will gradually understand English content. Yes, and it will help you to learn English. It will help you to understand something written in English. Yeah. However, a number of people don't follow this thing, but to be honest, yeah, from the bottom of my heart, I am telling you, it will definitely help you your language to the next level. Yes. And I have been following this tip, I think 2 months back, and sometimes I understand when I try to read some English content. Yes, whenever I find it, whether I find it on social media, whether I find it on any wall, whether I find it on any book, I try to comprehend them. And sometimes I understand, sometimes I don't. But the fact is that you don't have to force your mind to understand this thing. Yeah. Gradually, you will begin to understand automatically. Yeah. So this is the thing, and in this way, you will slowly feel comfortable with English. Yeah. What happens when somebody try to learn English by themselves? They feel pretty much uncomfortable in this thing. Yeah. So it helps you to become very much comfortable with English. Yeah. And if you are a beginner, the most important thing is for you to feel comfortable with English. If you don't feel very much convenient with English, you will find it very hard. So I hope I have not made you bored, and if I made, tolerate me, yaar. I'm also growing this language, improving like you. And remember one thing, Rome was not built in a day. It will take time.